So there's real estate news, and then there's what I would consider must know, must listen real estate news. And this announcement right here qualifies as that. In an announcement that came out last week from Fannie Mae, which is a leading source in mortgage financing in the US, they announced that they're slashing their down payment requirements for multifamily homes down to a minimum of 5%. Previously, the minimum down payment for owner-occupied multifamily properties, anywhere from 2, 3 to 4 units, was a 15 to 25% requisite minimum down payment for those types of properties. For example, if you were going to purchase a multifamily property for $500,000, the minimum down payment requirement, if it was 20%, would have been $100,000. Now, with this change that's going to go into effect the weekend after November 18th, now the minimum down payment at 5% would only be $25,000. So the ability to purchase an owner-occupied multifamily unit and to rent out one of the other units, whether it be a long-term or short-term rental, to offset your monthly mortgage payment is a huge real estate hack that now just became a lot more affordable to a lot more buyers. So if you have any questions about this, shoot me a message, reach out. I'm happy to go into more detail.